Hi guys, I am now sharing with you my mom's traditional Massoppu saaru recipe. This is a terrific preparation of green leafy vegetables with lentils to be served with rice or ragi balls. This is a list of ingredients required. You can add 1 cup hyacinth beans or avocado to this. This is totally optional. Skip it if you do not have it, and you can follow the rest of the recipe as it is. To this, add water, half a teaspoon salt, and pressure cook for 4 whistles. In another pressure cooker, take half a cup of toor dal which has been washed well. Take a handful each of dill leaves, spinach leaves, and methi or fenugreek leaves. Check the description box for other greens which you can use. To this, add 5 green chillies, about 20 cloves of garlic, and 1 tomato and 1 onion, both of which have been roughly chopped. Add half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon salt, and about 700 ml water. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. The dal and vegetables will have cooked well by now. Take only the dal and vegetables in the jar of a mixer grinder. Leave the broth behind. Grind this coarsely by giving only 3 short pulses. The paste should look like this. In a thick bottomed vessel, heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram or kadle bele and splutter for 30 seconds till the skin starts splitting. Add half an onion which has been finely chopped. Cook this for about 2 minutes till the onion becomes soft. Now add in the boiled hyacinth beans or avocado, the greens and dal paste, and the broth. Boil for 5 minutes. Check the taste and adjust the salt. Cover and cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. At the end, this is the consistency of the curry we want. I enjoyed this Massoppu saaru with hot ragi balls and some fryams. You can serve it with rice also. Do prepare this traditional Karnataka style greens and dal and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on my profile picture below. Thank you.